If you're having trouble with logging into your account in your Instagram, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So very first thing that you should do is launch your browser. At the top search bar, type in Instagram login, and then you will see login link right here. Open it and get logged into your account. If you can easily get logged into account via a web browser but you are having difficulty with your app, that means you have a glitch in your app itself. Let's go ahead and see how we can fix it. First of all, make sure that it is updated. Head over to your Play Store and then search for Instagram. If you see update, tap on update. Next step, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below until you see apps. Then here also search for Instagram. Tap on to search. Once you see your Instagram, open it. At this page here, scroll below, tap on storage, clear the cache. Now see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then long tap onto your Instagram app, tap on uninstall and then tap OK. You have to reinstall your application from your Play Store and then this shall work.